ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So this is a series of a video lesson where it will be helpful, beneficial for children as well as adults who are willing to learn the script of Kannada language. So there is one series which is running for spoken Kannada learners, and this series is exclusively for the children as well as adults who are willing to learn Kannada script. So for adults, so who can expect a benefit from this lesson is the one who is giving their exams, competitive exams in Karnataka for Kannada language. So if you are a non-Kannada speaker, that would be really helpful for you to read and write Kannada. We will be learning here in this series of our videos. So let's start with the video. Let's start with the lesson. Today's lesson, the first lesson for the Kannada script. So before starting with the lesson, any language, the foundation thing is the letters, the pronunciation, right? So that is what we are going to do in today's class. Kannada is a spoken language, official language of Karnataka. Karnataka is in a southern part of India. Fine. So in Karnataka, we also speak, there are parts of region, they also speak Tulu, Kodava, Konkani, and the different languages they do speak there. There are different kind of Kannada also they do speak. So today we are going to learn Kannada language, how to write the letters in Kannada, and slowly we also focus on reading and writing part also. Fine. So let's start. So as in all the letters, I'll take a comparison. Because most of you might have read Hindi, Bengali, Odia, or Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, whatever the language it is, you might have read or you might know those languages. So just take a few few letters, alphabets from that language. Try to recall the alphabets from your mother tongue, from your native language. So if you're not, if you don't know any Indian languages, then it's comfortable, do not worry about it. If you know any Indian language, try to recall your mother tongue, try to recall the letters from your mother tongue. So that's what we are going to cover today. So in the beginning, it will always start with a. Yes, so that's what we are going to cover. So first I'll pronounce the letters. I'll also give you, so for this you have a workbook. So I'll leave the workbook for you. So please go through the workbook. Workbook will be very helpful for you. Where I'll leave the link for the workbook. You have to purchase the workbook which is being published by Yashaswi Vaani. I have published the book. So please go through that book. That would be really helpful for you. You can do the activities after watching the lessons. You can do the activities from that book. Fine. So let's start with today's class. I'll be starting with the alphabets. A, I, E, right? So before starting, let us pronounce the letters. Fine. So today we are going to do a set of letters, 15 letters we are going to do. So first letter A. The next is extension. Just give an extension for that. A, E, E, U, U, Ru. No extension. Stop that. A, extension. A, I. Stop there. No extension. O. O. Extension. Ow. Ow. Aha. Aha. Yes, exactly. So here the thing mostly that we use here is the curves. The C-type curves. Or these kind of curves that we are going to use. So please be quite comfortable like this. So if children are watching this video, parents please help them to hold their pencils and just make them to write comfortably at their pace. Fine. So we'll start with the first letter A. So for the first letter A, you need that C shape. So I'll start from the top. Always remember where to start, where to end. Start from the top with a small circle. You will come down, 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 stop here. And again inside, then I get a small horizontal line. That's it. This is why A. America, Amma, Appa, Akka, Anna. So Amma is a mother, Appa is a father, Akka is a sister, Anna is a brother. So that is. Next we'll go with the next letter, that is A. Just it is similar to this. I'll start from the top, stop here. So now instead of coming down, you will go inside. Then again like this. This is my Ah. So that is the thing that you can, aha. It's like a wonderful, aha. So that is a word that you can use from ah. The next is very simple. Remember the letter M. Write the letter M, small letter. Then bring it this down, 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 down. Then just come inside, then put a knot. This is my E. Ili. Ili is a rat in Kannada. So we have a two type. Ili, rat, illi here. So when you say illi, it's two type L. Ili is a simple I-L-I. E. The next is E extension. So first put a circle. So on the top of that, you may have one more symbol like this, which I call as a head. For head in Kannada, we call tale. Fine. So we'll put this tale to this letter. Then put a horizontal line down. That's it. This is my E. Ega. Eagle. Ega is noun. Eagle is bird. We know that. Next, we'll go with the next letter, which is like a wave. Again, it's like a yum, but upside down. Fine. So remember, it's like a wave. So I'll start from the top with a small circle, down, up, down, up. That's it. So this is my U. Uganda. Uguru is a name. So I'm just giving the names which you can remember. So whatever, if you find different names, do let me know in the comment section. The next one is the extension of this one, right? So write as it is first. Write as it is. Now bring this down. Now you will put a circle here. Do not put a circle here. It's wrong. If you are putting a circle here, it's wrong. You should put circle only here. Fine. Oh, oh. Oh. What is the word I can see for you? Fine. We'll go for the next one. The next one is Ru. It's like a number 2. Go to the top. So I'll write once again if you have not understood. I'll start from the top like a C. Put a circle. Again go to the top. Come to the exact length. Same length. If you are following in the line. So this is how it looks. Come to the top. Put the tale. And again one more line. That's it. This is my Ru. Ru. Exactly. The next one is A. So for the A, I need a yum letter. So just similar to this, I'll start from the bottom. So I'll put a line here also. It will be easy for you to follow. I'll start from here with a small circle. It looks like a yum or a W. Then go to the top. So when you go to the top, do not go with a straight line. Come to the left side. A. Now is the extension of this. A, egg. Yelli, where? Illi, here. Elli, where? Then go with the A. First write as it is. Then now go backwards. This is my A. So if you are watching any, if you are looking at any printed version, the A will be like this. But whenever I write like this. Okay? So I'll write it once again. So this is how it looks. The next one is I. Again start like the same way. Go to the top. Again repeat this. I. Next is O. O is like a swan. So start from the top, down, O. Right? Again as it is. Put a line on the top, it will become O. Then again write as it is. So on the top you will write a small C, inverted C. Then bring this line horizontal. Then bring this down. Stop here. Do not go down. So you will stop this line. Ow. The last two letters is very simple. Copy the first letter. A. Put 1 0 in middle. That is Again write a. Put 2 zeros. That is your aha. So how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 letters. So this 15 letters is a vowels. So in Kannada we call Swaragalu. Clear? Fine. Okay. So this is the basic letters, 15 letters. After this we have 34 letters which we are going to learn in the next class. So what is that activity that you have to do for this lesson is, do let me know in the comment section what is the word that you can pronounce for each letter. Not in Kannada, in different language. You can say it in Hindi, you can say it in Bengali, Odia, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, English, whichever the language you want, you can say that. So which is the word you will start from the A, E, U, Ru, I, O, Au, Aha. Fine. So we have also song for this one, the same song that we say it in ABCD. The same song, shall we say? A, I, O, Ru, I, O, Au, Aha. We'll repeat once again. A, I, O, Ru, I, O, Au, Aha. Comfortable? So please do watch. Sorry, the video is in a little bit different mode. Adults, you might find a little bit more funny here because I have to cover the children's also here. So it's a 2-in-1 video for adults as well as the children. So please take it comfortably at your own pace. And if you have done with that one, please do let me know in the comment section, or you can write an email to me. I'll meet you in tomorrow class. In the next series, we learn the next letters. Okay then? So thank you so much. Namaskara. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.